Hello everyone! Watch this video and find out how to restore your migration card. If you have lost your migration card, you can restore it. Contact the police station with the passport with which you entered Russia and write a statement about the loss of the migration card. So you'll be given a certificate. Take this certificate of the loss of your migration card to the migration department at the place of registration and write an application for a duplicate. The migration officer will check the lost card in the database and issue a copy of it. A copy of the card will be issued only if everything is in order with your migration registration and the period of stay in Russia. Otherwise, the new card will not be issued and a fine from 2,000 to 7,000 rubles will be imposed. Sometimes, expulsion from the country can be used as a punishment. A duplicate of the migration card is issued free of charge. You can't buy it. It's a scam. There are no penalties for the loss of migration documents. If you find a loss at the checkpoint, you'll be given a duplicate or a new card on the spot for free. If the migration card wasn't issued at the border, well, contact the UVM for issuing a card. Change of card when changing a passport. If, while in Russia, you change your passport, the details of which were indicated in the migration card, contact the UVM with an application for replacing the migration card. If you found out about the loss of your migration documents in advance, contact the UVM for issuing a new one. If directly at the border, tell the border guard about it and ask for a new one. A fine is imposed not for the loss of the migration card, but for the absence or violation of the terms of your stay. If there is a migration card in the database of border guard, but you have lost it, there will be no fine. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to Braiden Consulting YouTube channel.